Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting power. Disconnect the negative battery cable to avoid shorts. Once done, raise the car and secure it on stand so you can work safely under the front. Remove the splash shield, and if needed, the front wheel for better access. Next, locate the serpentine belt tensioner. Use a suitable tool to relieve tension and slide the belt off. Do this carefully. Mark the belt routing so reassembly is straightforward and you avoid misrouting accessories. With the belt off, unplug all connectors from the alternator and remove the main power nut from the output stud. Hold the stud to prevent spinning. Support the alternator with one hand and remove the mounting bolts. There are upper and lower fasteners that may be different lengths. Once bolts are out, pivot the unit free of its bracket and lift it out. Keep track of any spacers or shims and the exact bolt order so the replacement aligns precisely when you reverse the steps. You position the new alternator into the bracket and start the mounting bolts by hand to ensure correct thread engagement. Torque bolts to spec, reconnect the main power nut and plug in the electrical connectors. Make sure clips click. Reinstall the serpentine belt, release the tensioner slowly, and confirm the belt seats in all pulleys. Reconnect the battery, start the engine, and measure charging voltage at the battery. You should see about 8 to 6 volts. If the volt
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.